How to highlight any text on a PDF. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you two methods from which you can highlight text on your PDF. Let's get started. So the first method is if you have your PDF file and you want to open it using your Microsoft Edge. So just right click on it, and once you right click you have an option to open with and select Microsoft Edge. Now the PDF will open using Microsoft Edge, and in order to highlight any PDF, on the top left corner you will see this highlighter option. You can just click on it and then select the text that you want to highlight, like so. And once you select the text that you want to highlight, it will automatically select the text that you want to highlight. And if you want to select different color, just click on the drop down. You can choose different colors and different thickness as well. So you can choose different thickness, and if you do text only highlight, it will only highlight the text and not the outer part like these. So this is the first method. And the second method is, if you want to highlight, is using Microsoft Word. So you can just right click on it and then again open with. You are going to go ahead and open Word first. So just search for Word on your PC, and once your Microsoft Word is open, you can go ahead and click on Open and select the file that you have just opened. So go ahead and select the file that you want to open from here. Mine is on desktop, so it will convert the PDF to the Word document. So once the PDF has been converted to Word document, what you can do is just select the part that you want to highlight. So let's say if I want to highlight this part, I'm just going to select this part right here, and a menu option will appear right here, and you will see this text highlight color option. Just tap on it and select the color that you want to highlight. So let's say if I want to select this navy blue color, I'm going to do that. And now if you want to save it again as a PDF, you can go ahead and click on Save As, and then browse your place where you want to save it. And then what you can do is, on the document type, you can select PDF and then click on Save. And now it will be saved as another document right here. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.